start with the outline. What makes our sun system so special? How long they have your solar system exist? Does our solar system exist forever? We start with what makes our sun system so special. We only can live on the Earth because only on the Earth we have oxygen or have um, yes, oxygen or water or something. And our solar system not only has planets but also so-called dwarf planets, so little planets. Scientists are researching whether it's possible to live on other planets. The planets and the other celestial bodies can interact with each other. Now we go to how long have our solar system exist. Our solar system has existed for 4.6 billion years. Many scientists believe it has existed for much longer. At least does our solar system exist forever? Life will still be able to exist on our planet for around 1.750 to 3.25 billion years. That was my short presentation. I hope you like it.